We are professionals.
What the hell is it doing?
I don't know.
It's got some weird filter on it.
What?
Ah!
Oh.
I don't know what's going on.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what I did.
Oh, is that the... Oh,
Let
I
me make
thought...
sure it's not like... Say hi.
Hi, I will.
I'm Melissa. We're conquered. We got a thing.
Yes, the Glowforge came in late last night, so here we have the Glowforge. We waited nearly 2.5 years.
Whew, yeah.
2.5 years ago. Man, that was a different time, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That was $2,000 2.5 years ago.
That was right when we were just getting started with Conquered.
And we were like, you know what'd be really cool? Let's add a laser cutter to our, like, list of things that we have. And now we got it, finally.
Yay.
So, we have the two main boxes. This one is the accessory kit. It says designed in Seattle and assembled in the USA. It does that pretentious, like, tech thing where it's like, you know how Apple says on the iPhone, designed in California?
Made in China.
Yeah, designed in California, assembled in China. And then, like, the maker bot used to say, like, made in Brooklyn.
Ooh.
Ooh. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what comes in the accessories box.
Alright, while I'm cutting the box open, you want to tell everyone exactly what this is, besides just it's a laser?
Oh, yes, so the Glowforge is a laser cutter that's kind of like one of those new eye products. It's kind of, think of it as like an eye laser type thing. But
Lasers? Pew pew.
it's designed to be very user friendly. Thankfully, we both have experience with laser cutters already, though.
Yes.
But it has a lot of neat features that they've been advertising in their videos, where you can actually draw on your material, and it will then cut out that thing.
Ooh.
Oh, here we go. Oh, all right. So it comes with a dryer hose. It's one of the most
Yay!
important things, actually.
It is very important.
Let's see. Are these just boxes for shipping? These are just boxes for shipping. Okay. Neat, neat, neat. All right, we'll put this off to the side.
One of the
here.
delays was that they were working on packaging for a long time.
Yes, and this looks like it's the build plate. Yep, there it is. There's the honeycomb build plate.
Ooh.
Neat. And I like this this aluminum plate back right here. Is there anything underneath that?
Nope.
No.
Wow.
Okay.
That was a big box for 2 items.
This is how I end up with so many boxes. Alright. So let's put this off to the side here.
For those who don't know, this is important so that you can give yourself robot arms and feel like you're in the future while you cut things with lasers. The robot arm.
Yes, well the robot arms belong to the laser cutter.
Aw.
Here, why don't you go put this over there next to the guitar and the balloon. In the meantime, I'm going to put this box off to the side. Because now...
I would like to point out that you do actually have somebody watching.
Oh, hooray! Hi, fans! Whoever you are. Welcome.
Yessie Scott.
Oh, okay. Hi, Essie! Alright, so this goes off to the side.
Empty box.
And now it is time for the real deal.
Woo!
This is it. Alright, you want to do the honors?
I don't know if I'm ready for this. Which side does it open on first?
I don't know.
I think it's this side over here.
Okay, well good. It's already oriented in the right direction.
Ugh. Unfortunately, it's on the bottom of this side.
Wait, I think it's on this side actually.
It might be both.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
I think it opens just like the other one just did.
Okay. Ah! Easy.
Sorry.
Alright, and then... Alright, I'm going to ease this down. Treat it like a baby.
It is a baby. It's a very expensive baby.
A very expensive baby indeed.
I don't know, that's probably a very cheap baby compared to most babies.
Yeah, and this baby I'll be able to put to work without any labor laws interfering soon. Alright, there is a thing stopping us here at this point.
I think the broken handle over here is part of it.
Okay. No, I think
Actually.
it just slides on up, but it all has to go up at the same time.
Actually, I think the plastic handles are part of.
Oh, really? Alright, removing plastic handles. There we go. Plastic handle number 1.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's a pretty neat insert. One of the plastic handles was lost in transit, so. Alright, give me a second so I can.
Gosh darn you, UPS.
Oh, that's a neat thing. You just pull this out and
Yeah,
it pops. Okay.
that's what I
know
said.
that. I was just ripping it out. Okay. So here we go. And why don't you come around back again to this side? Oh my gosh. It's happening.
Look at our baby! It's huge.
It is huge.
It's a much bigger baby than I was.
So it has a cut, or a build plate, or a cut plate actually, not a build
They
plate.
weren't kidding about this. They spent a lot of time and money designing these foam inserts. I just want you to know this.
Yes, but I feel like the foam inserts could have been a little quicker.
They spent a lot of time. Like, a lot of the delay was because of these.
Yes.
Apparently people's Glowforges were coming in, like, chipped and slightly cosmetically damaged.
Yeah, in that case, I would like to have it all in one. But here it is. Now, the laser cutter has a build plate, or I keep saying build plate, a cutting plate of 12 by 20. So it won't quite do 12 by 24, but you know that's just a bandsaw fix. Are you ready? Oh, it is fairly heavy,
Yes, that was an 80-pound box.
and it was mostly just foam on the inside. So let's get this out of the way.
Look!
I was expecting a lot more of this, honestly. In the
Look
box
at
or
our
the weight.
baby! It's so pretty!
Alright, so here it is. Here is the Glowforge. Oh. It is what we've been waiting for a long time. And I mean, after we plug it in, I'm sure we'll find out whether or not the wait was worth it. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be.
We're taking her out of the bag?
Oh yeah, we're gonna show it off. Are we gonna try it on? No.
Yeah.
But
So let's
soon.
use the camera.
TM.
Oh, hey, cool.
Yeah, alright. So this is one of the cool features about the Glowforge. It has a camera right here. This camera does a couple different things. So it'll transmit the camera feed to the program that we use for it, which is a cloud-based online program, which is really cool. So it takes the image of whatever is placed in here, and it puts it in the program. So basically, you can just like see what's there, and you can go, okay, I want my image to go here on this piece of whatever your laser is. You can actually see where exactly on the material it's going to go. The other thing that it's supposed to do is if you draw something on, say, a piece of wood, you can stick it in there, the camera can see it, and it can go, okay, I'll laser that, exactly what you drew. So you don't have to do it in the computer. And then it'll, like, remember what it was that you drew, and you can duplicate that multiple times over. So you just draw it once on whatever material you've got, and then just make more.
And there it is. There's the Glowforge. This is a really beautiful laser tube, by the way.
The little twirly bit right there.
All of it. It's pretty nice.
Look.
I was expecting it to be a lot more like everything is hidden. You cannot touch this. Warranty voided if touched here.
It might void your finger's warranty, though.
Right. I do like this sign right here. It says, I love it. It says, to turn on this magic button, go to setup.glowforge.com. So there we go. I mean, there's the
Doesn't do
laser.
anything
It's not
Well,
plugged
yeah,
in
you haven't
yet.
gone to the website. It's not magical.
I know. It is magic though because this thing runs entirely cloud-based, so you kind of have to have Wi-Fi to do things with it.
But that's okay. I have
That's okay, we have Wi-Fi. Yeah, so part of what made it so cheap of a laser was there's no program that you have to buy. It's online. You
Yep.
stream everything.
I kind of want to open it up real quick. But there's a piece of tape right here. All right. Open it up. That is neat.
There's also a good bit of foam in there, too.
There is a good bit of foam in here, but we're
Yes.
going to keep it in there because it's not yet in its final resting position.
Yes, it's not going to live in the living room.
And it could if it wanted to.
Yes, it should. I think
No.
it should. See? See, don't say things like this if you're not prepared to argue.
How
I
do
don't think we
remove
should be
the
putting it
phone?
outside.
Well, it's not going to be outside.
Mm-hmm. Close enough.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that we're going to have to... I didn't see a manual.
I think it's
Which is odd.
online.
I think it would
Mhm.
have
I think
to
it's
be
on
Probably
setup.glowforge.com.
Probably.
It's just a piece of paper, by the way.
Nice. Yeah, I see the little orange plastic inserts, to prevent things from moving around during transport.
Yes, they did a good job with this, with the packing and everything.
Yeah.
That was one thing that they were talking about a lot.
stepper motors. Oh, there's the power supply. There's the industrial stuff. It's hidden. All right. Well, I think that'll be about it for right now. But yes, this is the introduction to the Glowforge. I don't think I've seen. I didn't see a power strip either. It might be in there, because this felt heavier than it should be. But we'll be posting more videos about it as it goes on, because it's the Glowforge. Why not?
It's been hyped up a lot. It took 2 years to get to us, and we are very excited. We spent a lot of money and a lot of waiting for this. A lot.
All right. Well, that's all for now. See you later.
This is where you can end the video.
Yeah, this is where you can end the video.
Woo.
Nice touch there at the end.